Hello my dear students, welcome to Prudence coaching mathematics class. In this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE solutions. For finding the cube root, you need to memorize the cubes of 1 till 10. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. Next important thing that you need to observe is the last digit of this cube. Firstly, you need to observe that the last digit are different for all the numbers, and you need to remember that the last digit of 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 and even the 10, that is 0, are same. And the last digit of 2 is 8 and 8 is 2. And the last digit of 3 is 7, 7 is 3. My dear students, this is the only thing you need to remember to calculate the cube root of any perfect cube number. And for your kind information, I am going to give you some more information, that is the digit sum of this cube numbers is always 189. Means if we find out the digit sum of any cube number, we will get 1, 8 or 9. This is for sure, which will help you in your higher studies. And my dear students, if you want to know something more about this digit sum and how it will help in your studies, then comment below. We will make one video based on this particular topic. Now let us start and learn how to find out cube root of any perfect cube number given to us within few seconds. Yes students, within few seconds. So let's start with the thing. So in order to find out the cube root of first example, that is 4913, we need to divide the number into two parts. From the right hand side, we will move towards the left hand side and mark 3 digits differently, and the leftover digit we will just take as another part. Now what we need to do is we need to find out the smallest cube which can be smaller or equal to the left side number. So we have 4 as our left side number, so the smallest cube which is possible within 4 is 1 cube 1, because 2 cube is 8, we cannot take 8, we need to take 1 cube 1. So the first digit of the cube root will be 1. Now let us move to the next part. As you can see, the last digit of this number given is 3, and we know we have 3 is equals to 7, or the last digit of 3 is always 7, which I have asked you to memorize. So we will write 17 as our answer, that is the cube root of 4913 is 17. So let us see the next example, that is 9261. First we need to split the number into two parts. So we will move from the right hand side to the left hand side. We will mark 3 digits, that is 162 differently and 9 as our different number. Next we will see that the smallest cube which is possible within 9, which will be smaller than 9 or equal to 9. We know 2's cube is 8, so 8 is the number, therefore we will write 2 as our first digit of the cube root number. Now we will see the last 3 number. There we have 261, and the last digit of 261 is 1. So we know 1 is possible if we are finding the cube root of 1, or the last digit of cube root 1 is 1. So we will write 1. So our final answer will be 2121. Need to find out the cube root of 1728. So the last 3 number will be 728 and 1 will be the next part. So the smallest possible cube which will go within 1 or will be equal to 1 is 1. 1 cube is 1, and 728, and the last digit is 8. We know 8 will come only if we have 2 in the cube, so answer will be 12. Next cube root which we need to find out is 2,38,328. So first we need to split it into two parts. Last part will give us 2 and the first part will give us 6. So our answer will be 62. Let us move on to the next one, 3,73,248. First let us split it into two parts. So first part will give us 7, because the smaller cube will be of 7 which is less than or equal to the first part, and the last part will give us 2, because the last digit of 8 is always 2, or 2 is 8. So final answer will be 72. Let us see the next example, that is 8,04,357. First part will give us 9 and the second part will give us 3. So our answer will be 93. So students, as you can see, it is very easy to calculate the cube root of any perfect cube number. Let us see the next example. As you can see, next example is 39,304. Let us split into two parts. First part will give us 3 and the last part will give us 4. So here the cube root of this number will be 34. Let us see the last example, which is a negative number, that is 10,648, and which is in negative. So the first part 10 will give us 2 and the last part 8 will give us 2. So our final answer will be minus 22 because the number given is negative. So my dear students, with this we come to the end of this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, like this video and also subscribe this channel to get more videos like this, and also check out the playlist and the description box to see all the videos arranged in order. And students, take care of yourself and keep practicing, and always remember, practice makes a man perfect.